I'm Tess, and tonight I'm making spicy Thai red curry cauliflower. I will show you how to make this easy, spicy, and hearty Thai meal from start to finish. Stay tuned. In my skillet on medium heat, I'm adding in a couple tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of Thai red curry paste, and 5 cloves of minced garlic. Cooking and stirring for about a minute or until the oil starts to separate from the paste. This smell is incredible. I'm adding in 1 small diced onion and half a diced bell pepper. Cooking and stirring for about a minute to get all the veggies coated. You can use the veggies that you like, and you can dice the veggies as small as you want, but I like to keep them nice rustic bite-sized pieces. Now for the liquids. I'm adding in 3/4 of a cup of vegetable stock and giving that a good stir. Next is 1 can of coconut milk, which makes this dish so creamy, rich, and good. There are a lot of brands of coconut milk out there in the market. Make sure you read the label and you are getting a good percentage of coconut fat, so you are getting the most flavor. I'm adding in 2 teaspoons of fish sauce, which will add the saltiness, and you can add as much as you like. You can keep this totally vegetarian and add salt to your taste. And to balance out the saltiness and spiciness, I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of sugar, and I'm using raw sugar. You can add the sweetener that you like. I'm turning my heat up to bring this up to a simmer. I'm also adding in 1 diced plum tomato, 1 cup of rinsed and drained bamboo shoots, and this is about 4 cups of cauliflower florets. Again, you can chop the cauliflower to the size that you like, but I kept the pieces a nice size so they hold up in the cooking and have a nice texture. Cauliflower is a good choice for this Thai red curry dish because it has lots of nooks and crannies to absorb that delicious curry. Giving everything a good toss, bringing up to a simmer, covering and cooking for 10 to 15 minutes or until the cauliflower is to your desired tenderness. I don't know why I chose a plate to serve. I should have chosen a bowl with all that wonderful curry. Serving tonight with steamed jasmine rice, but you can also serve this with noodles or potatoes. I love all the vegetables, and the cauliflower is nice and hearty and definitely takes the place of any protein. The spicy, creamy red curry sauce is unbelievably good. I hope you give this Thai red curry cauliflower recipe a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!